marking a significant Bubagra, what will be the main role that is going to be supporting the youth of the Tripura? Like, according to this cricket academy, what will the main role and how this will help and prepare the youth for the upcoming events?
No, see, should I speak in English or Hindi?
Yes, in English.
In English, the most important thing is that I want there is enough talent in Tripura.
Yes.
We just need proper support and a support from a young age so that you can produce a world-class sports person. Whether it is football, whether it is cricket, athletics, tennis, swimming, MMA, whatever. We have the talent. We just need the platform and the infrastructure. And we also have role models like Manishankar Mura Singh. So, if we can, why are we giving, I respect Saurav Ganguly a lot, but why should Saurav Ganguly come from West Bengal and teach us how to play cricket when we have enough active Ranji playing cricketers here? So why don't we promote our own people and let them come up with a cricket academy? My father got me into cricket. Not many people know I played cricket as well. And I was an active cricketer. I was an active footballer. So in my heart, I am still a sports person. And I believe that sometimes sports can do more to unite the country, the people, than politics. I think politics divides people at certain times, but sports unites the whole country. So let's unite our people and let's put some emphasis on tourism, on sports, on service sector, on health and agriculture. So these are areas where we can, if we concentrate, we can definitely develop our state of Tripura.
Bubagra, since the academy is going to be established in Khumulwngo, in the center of the headquarters, so how will there are lots better players across the state, like especially in hilly regions, in remote areas, how they are going to?
So we have a hostel here. There will be a selection process. This is only the best talent. They'll come, they'll have trials, they'll be selected based on their talent, and we will provide accommodation for them. We will provide schools for them. We'll provide food for them, and we'll also provide enough funds so that they can travel outside the state and even play competitive matches. So, see, practicing itself doesn't work. Sometimes we also need to play competitive matches. A minimum of 35 to 40 matches should be played across the year for people to hone the skills of football or cricket. So, this is what we plan to do. So, if there are any talented people, we will, and I'll also put up floodlights here, so especially during summers when it's very warm, people can even practice at night. So therefore, the whole ecosystem will build around it.
Since the TTADC has been suffering for the lack of funds because of the state government and there are this controversy going on.
So there's no controversy. I think everybody knows that Agartala gets more money than TTADC, though TTADC is 500 times bigger than Agartala.
We can see that earlier John De Burma has also shown the report of the RTI regarding the funds mismanagement. So how is this ADC going to run the long-term academy in coming years? Or will there be a private sponsorship for this academy?
We will take private sponsors, but TTADC also has a duty to promote sports. So I think we can raise some money on our own. I will also contribute from my personal side. I wanted to see, we have to promote and we have to give a better option to our youngsters. So not only cricket, I also want to do a football academy, and the stadium is coming up properly. And maybe in 5 or 8 years' time, we can produce a Sachin Tendulkar or a Virat Kohli, or we can produce a Sunil Chhetri. It will make all of us feel proud, na? So everything is not about voting and politics. It is also about the self-respect of a Tiprasa, and I want to do that.
Thank you so much.
Well, I know, Hambai.